Hello everyone, my name is Poonam and I'm a Microsoft certified educator. Today I will train you on the text join feature that is available in Excel as a command. Okay, so this specific feature, if I talk about, it will let you join the text in multiple ranges in a cell. And one of the good option is, even in case if you want to join an empty cell, you do have an option for that, and I will make you do a live example in front of you. So let's start ahead with it. So let's say that this is a text that you would like to join in one specific cell. So there is a command in Excel that we people can use, and that is called as text join. So what exactly we will do is, we will first of all be putting is equal to, and after that you people will be typing in text join. So you can see that text join option is available over here. Double click on that. Now once you double click on that, one of the good option which is available in text join is, if I compare it with the concatenate, because concatenate also it does one and the same function, wherein it joins the entries in multiple cells into a single cell. So here you can add delimiter of your own choice. Now what exactly is a delimiter? Delimiter means a specific character that will help you join these entries in one specific cell. So let's suppose that I would like to put in my delimiter. So a delimiter will always start with an inverted comma. Okay, and if I don't want any space in between, so I'm going to put in delimiter. After that I have to put a comma. Now the moment I put a comma, so you can see that there are two options which are available in front of you, whether you would like to ignore the empty cell or whether you would like to include the empty cell. So you can opt either of the options. So let's say if I put in true, which means if I want to ignore the empty cells, I will be putting in a comma once again, and then I will be selecting the cells which are available. Okay, so I've selected the cells in which the entries are there, and then I'm going to close the bracket, and then I'm going to hit the enter button from the keyboard. So you yourself can see that now the entire thing is there in one specific sentence, and this is how you people can go ahead and use the text join as an option. Okay, now I would also like to state this thing to my new viewers of the channel who are watching my channel for the very first time. In case of any questions or queries, you can always reach me on my Instagram, my Facebook, or my Microsoft team ID, which is my Instagram ID is cherub.teaching.center. You can also reach me on my Facebook ID, which is Cherub Teaching Center, or on the Microsoft Teams as well, which is Cherubian. So what are you waiting for? Just subscribe to my channel. There are new things which are coming up your way. Alright, so thank you so much everyone.